Welcome, Mark. I'm Jamie from JP Woodwork. So my question is, before heading to the lathe, you've been known to do some prototyping. Do you prototype for any other tools that you use?
Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I've done that for some metalworking stuff I did. One of the things I built was a three-point hitch, a trailer hitch. It would go on my three-point on the tractor so I could pull a trailer around with it. And I prototyped that with a 3D printer just to see, okay, is this going to work? Are these going to fit right? One of the reasons I got a 3D printer, I said I built the entertainment center for my house. I used Woodsmith plans for that, and I turned out nice. But when I got it in the house, it just overwhelmed the space. It was huge. My wife likes it; it's not going anywhere, but it was big. And I said, in the future, I don't want to do that. I tried using Blender as a kind of do software prototyping, and that turned out to be a lot more work than it was worth. So what I've done is I got the 3D printer, and then I built a scale model of my room, and now I can put all the furniture in it and everything in it, and say, oh, okay, well this works, or man, this is too big. I need to make it smaller. So I've done a number of different kind of prototyping things like that, and even when I'm doing 3D printing projects, I'll do smaller prototypes before I go spend a lot of filament for what I'm ultimately going to make.
We can't let that go, though. Jamie, say prototype again.
Prototype.
Amazing.
Prototype.